All right, so let's talk about Amazon machine image, or the AMI overview real quick. And as we know, Amazon machine image, you can also call it AMI. And just to remind you, if you wanted to launch an instance, for example, at some point, what you need to choose is the Amazon machine image, which is your operating system in this case, right? And there are a couple of different ones, but we've always been using Amazon Linux, right? But you could actually create your own AMI instead of using a couple of these different options here, and that's what we want to do right now. Okay, so AMI are a customization of EC2 instance, and in that case you can add your own software configuration, operating system, your monitoring as well. Okay, and sometimes creating your own may be much faster than the existing ones. If you want a much faster configuration time, because all your softwares is simply prepackaged, that is, they're already packaged. And AMIs, if you want to create them, they are built for a specific region, and you can also copy them to across other regions, just like you learned how to create a snapshot, but that's not what we're talking about. All right, so you can also launch your EC2 instances from a public AMI. Now this is the way we have been doing it so far. Okay, we've been selecting using the public AMI since the start of this course. Okay, or you can also own your own AMI. You can own and maintain them yourself, or you can also get them in the marketplace. Some people actually create AMIs, okay, and then they sell them and they make money from it, right? If you probably know how to do that well too, you can make money from that. And then finally, the process of creating an AMI is pretty simple. Okay, but first of all, you need to start an EC2 instance. Then you customize the AMI you want. Remember, the first step is to start your instance. If you don't have an instance, you want to create one, and we are going to customize it. Okay, we are going to create our AMI from an existing EC2 instance and then customize it. Okay, then we'll stop the instance for data integrity. Okay, so while we are creating our AMI, then we are also going to of course build our AMI. So, and then this is, we also create an EBS snapshot for us as well. Okay, just in case something comes up, okay, or something happens. And then after that, we'll launch our instances from other AMIs. If you want to create an EC2 instance, now we will select our own AMI in this case. Okay, so just to simplify it, you can have an instance in EU EC2A, okay, this availability zone. Okay, from this, then what you can do is to create your Amazon machine image. Okay, and then you customize it. In that case, then you have your custom AMI. And then when you have your custom AMI, you now have access to move it or use it in any region. You can launch it in any region you want, and then we are launching it in EU West 1B for example here. Okay, so that's what we want to do right now.